Hi everybody, this is Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. Welcome back to another plan with me. I am doing a plan with me on this beautiful spread. I'm giving you a little preview of it at the beginning of this video because I'm so obsessed with it, and I think the foil, the rose gold foil, is so pretty, and I was able to capture it really well in the lighting. It's a kit from SweetBellaxoxo or XOXO. I never know if it's XO or XOXO. I've been obsessed with her kits. They are perfect for me. They're such a good price point, truly, and the quality of the paper is really good. Her style I really enjoy. The stuff that's included in the kits is nearly perfect for me. I like the style of everything that's included in the kits, and I use the majority of it, or if I don't use it, I can it's stuff that I feel like I can save a lot of the times for other spreads, and I just really like, a bow checklist is not always equal to another kit's bow checklist. Like, some bow checklists are cute and some are not. It just kind of depends on the style. And I just really enjoy hers, I guess is what I'm trying to say. She also does, I think all of the pages of her kits are foiled, I think off the top of my head, if I'm remembering correctly, which I appreciate so much. If you're a shop owner, I am willing to pay a higher price for that than I am for a kit that's only foiled on a couple of the pages. I love that, and because it just you get such a pretty foiled spread like this one that, I don't know, it's a joy to look at. So I don't think that I said what week I was in, but this is the week of February 17th. I'm still very behind, even though I'm going on, this is Monday, April 6th that I'm recording this voiceover, and I just finished editing. This is going into the 4th week of quarantine or shelter in place in California here, and I am losing my mind, absolutely. I wish that I was one of those people that was being so productive and whatever during quarantine, but I am taking it a day at a time. I'm having a hard time not seeing people, and yeah, I'm ready to get out of my freaking apartment, but I know I'm doing it. I'm staying safe and keeping other people safe. And yeah, anyways, point of it was, I was hoping going into all of this that I was going to whip out all of my plan with me's, because I have so much extra time. But the reality is I spent a lot of time just lying on my back looking at the ceiling and not having the motivation to actually edit my plan with me's. I filmed a lot of them, at least. That's the good thing. I never have trouble, really. Well, very rarely do I get any sort of whatever the planner equivalent of writer's block is. I very rarely get that. It's just more often the editing gets me really backed up because I don't like editing. But yeah, okay, I will try not to talk about that too much more. This was the week of President's Day. I can't remember if I said that. So I had spent the previous weekend, we were up in Sonoma, so I was kind of coming back on that Monday. I'll talk a little bit more about that, I guess, once I get into the week by week. So what I've done so far is a lot of the same kind of stuff that I've been doing every week so far in the 2020 Erin Condren. I just kind of whited out just small kind of bits and sections of the bottom washi, so that way I can lay down 2 strips of bottom washi and also make it look like the Erin Condren columns have an end to them, and there is not just no ending to them, and that there's also space in between the ending of the columns and the first piece of washi and the second piece of washi and the second piece of washi and the bottom of the page. That's how I like to do it. All the stickers have been from the kit so far, except for the February script in the upper left-hand corner is from Rose Colored Days, the partnership between her and the Planner Sophisticate. That's her handwriting. And then all of the stickers in the sidebar are from the kit. And yeah, I think it worked out really well. Okay, and then the headers and all that, the date covers are from the kit. The date dots are some of my favorites. I've been asked about what are my favorite date dots. I really like the ones from SweetBellaxoxo. These are not included in the kit, but these are her date dots. All right, so moving into the day by day, like I said, this was President's Day weekend, so I took a scallop from Panda Bird Design and I layered a piece of the floral deco over top of it from the kit. And then the President's Day script is from Artbox Stickers. Those holiday script stickers are my favorite. I actually posted about this yesterday, but something that I run into twice a year, every year, is that why do holiday script sticker sheets not have daylight savings in them? Like, I just was back planning daylight savings, so it's top of mind for me right now, but that is so annoying. Like, they should, right? It's not like you're gonna buy a whole separate daylight saving like sheet of stickers because it only happens twice a year. Anyways, okay, so I had the day off this day, obviously, so I marked it with the flag from the kit and then layered the day off arrow from the kit over top it. Like I mentioned, we had gone to, Stephen had taken me up to Sonoma, which is wine country for us, for the weekend, for just to celebrate a bunch of stuff and for the long weekend. So we were still there this morning. We had breakfast at the hotel, which was really nice. So I just marked that with a coffee cup from Paper Muse Crafts. And then I marked driving home with a flag from the kit and a snowflake from Honey Inked. And then when I got home, it was kind of like a very Sunday-ish Monday. So I filmed and I edited a video. I used a play button from the kit, and then I also went grocery shopping and I cooked and I cleaned, and I just kind of marked all of that in a little quarter box with a just really cute little spray bottle icon that was from the kit that I really like. Okay, on Tuesday I marked that I had to like get together a bunch of tax info for Steven because he was doing our taxes, so I just marked that with a flag from the kit. And then I also edited a video here, so I just marked it with a Panda Bird Design girl layered over a quarter box from the kit. I love those Panda Bird Design girls. They are probably one of my favorite stickers like right now for the past, like, I don't know, 6 months or so, maybe a year. I ordered a ton of different ones in her sale. She now has them like with girls with curly hair. If you have that kind of hair or you like the style of that, and ones that have bows like in the laptop too. So I just got a bunch of different kinds, ones that are foiled, ones that aren't. Yeah, so really excited to use those more often. Okay, I also worked late on this day, so I used another Panda Bird Design scallop, just like the little corner one, to mark that. I cooked this day too, so I used a quarter box to mark that with some measuring spoons from Paper Blush Bar, and then I put a big snowflake from Honey Inked at the bottom too. I do have a coupon code for Paper Blush Bar and some of the other shops that I'm going to use in this spread, so you can find all my coupon codes always are down below. Okay, so on Wednesday, I marked that I had 4 meetings this day with just a little arrow from the kit. And then I actually went and had lunch, like by myself at a cafe, which was so nice. I used to be good about doing that. And then I just feel like as stuff has gotten busier and busier, I'm more likely to just run and grab something and eat at my desk, which I hate doing. But I'm one of those people that, like, going to a restaurant by myself and eating a meal by myself is like one of the most relaxing things I can think of off the top of my head. Like, I love doing that. So it was quick, but I took the time to do that today. I marked it with a caffeine sticker from Paper Muse Crafts because I did get a latte that day too. I marked doing editing and doing a voiceover that night with a more Panda Bird Design laptop girl and scallop stickers. I totally stole that idea from Nikki Plus 3. I love how she does that, and I think it's the cutest thing ever. And then I also used some more stickers from Paper Blush Bar to mark that I cooked this night, and I did my nails that night too on Wednesday. Okay, moving on to Thursday, I marked getting Starbucks with a quarter box from the kit and a super cute coffee cup from the kit. I had 2 meetings this day, so I marked that, again, the same way that I had marked it the day before with a cute little arrow from the kit. And then I marked working late, kind of really similar to how I marked the editing and the voiceover on Wednesday with the Panda Bird Design stickers. And then I also just added this little bow flourish from Rose Colored Days. And then I also was able to post my Plan With Me or a Plan With Me video this evening, so I'm just using, again, a really cute laptop from the kit. I love when shops have icons like this included in their kit where they are like neutral colors and then they pull in like colors and patterns from the kit and they're also foiled. Like that, I love that. I wish all shops did that. And then underneath that, I just layered some deco from the kit and a smaller snowflake from Honey Ink to kind of take up some more space there. Okay, on Friday, I marked that Steven was told about a really big bonus that he got at work, which was super exciting for him. So I marked that with just a little flag from the kit. And then my coworker and I were interviewing for a position that now on the other end of this, now with all of the coronavirus stuff, that's no longer applicable, but we spent literally all afternoon, her and I, in a conference room, just like one after the other doing phone interviews for people for a position underneath us. So that was a lot. There was just hours and hours of that. I marked that with a quarter box from the kit and a paper clip from Paper Blush Bar. I marked that I went and visited my sister's new office. She's working in a new office in San Francisco right by me, so I went and visited her there. Just used a half box from the kit that had a snowflake on it and added another one from Honey Inked. I marked filming. I filmed this night with a camera from the kit. And then Steven and I went on like a little date night. Not a fancy one, but there's like a food market by us that my coworker had been telling me that I should try for forever, and I hadn't, but we finally went. It's like one of those places where there's like, it's not a food court, but it's just like a market almost with like stalls, but they're not like, you know, it's not like a Wetzel's Pretzels or something, or like Wendy's or something. It's like good, like individually owned kind of like restaurant. So we went and did that. That was fun. Just used stickers from the kit to mark that. And then after that, we went and got ice cream at a Ben & Jerry's near us. Okay, onto Saturday, I marked that we spent the day in San Francisco this day. My sister had moved into an apartment like a month and a half earlier in San Francisco. So I just used like a big kind of apartment building and a quarter box to mark that. And then I used some, the scallop is from Panda Bird Design, the house is from Paper Blush Bar, and the flourish is from Rose Color Days to mark that we just went to like my parents and Steven and I, we all went to like go visit her new apartment, check it out, help her with what she needed, all that. So we also did a tasting of my family winery, which is Five Daughters. We have a new Sauvignon Blanc coming out, so we did a tasting of that. The wine glass is from Miss Jess Plans, and the bow I put over it is from The Giving Girl. And then we went down to the marina in San Francisco, and we had we like walked around with my parents and stuff, and we had a bunch of drinks at the Tipsy Pig, which is a bar I used to go to in my 20s, and it's like, I'm still in my 20s, but like my early 20s, like when I was very young, like probably before I was 21, kind of a bar. And then bringing my parents there is kind of funny. But anyways, I marked it with a quote unquote get lit martini glass sticker from Paper Muse Crafts. I would never say get lit, but that was, I don't know, that was the sticker that matched, so I pulled it in. We also went out to a really nice dinner that evening, so I marked that with a little, like, what is that called, a cloche sticker, I guess, from Paper Blush Bar, and then we went to Salt and Straw to get ice cream afterwards, and I just marked that with a quarter box. So that was a really fun day with my family. I'm missing them so much. I wish we could do stuff like that again right now. I really do. Yeah, we also just kind of like helped her set up during the day and got coffee and a bunch of other stuff that I didn't have room to mark. But anyways, okay, so then Sunday was just like a super, super typical Sunday in my life. Like, this is basically what any Sunday looks like for me. I slept in, so I just put one of the snowflakes up top, and then I marked sleeping in. I actually switch out. I put it over, like, that sleeping mask is from Paper Blush Bar, and I put it over a piece of washi from the kit. I actually end up switching it out for a flag, but anyways, just marked that way. And then I did some laundry, so I marked it with a super cute patterned and foiled hanger from the kit. Again, I love when kids offer stuff like that. That's like, it matches, it's foiled, it has pattern, it's not all just one color, it's not a circular icon. Like, I love that kind of element of design. And then I took a Rose Color Day swish and kind of layered that over top too. I also marked filming. I put a film script sticker with some deco from the kit. The film script, I think, is from Magic Prints Co. And then that camera is from Tasseled Planner, who's no longer open. And then Steven and I just went and we went grocery shopping, and we did some more meal prepping this evening. So I just marked that with a full box from the kit, and then that bow that I layered over the full box is from Paper Blush Bar as well, just like the clear overlay. And then here you can see this is where I decided that I didn't have enough white space in this column, so I really like that SweetBellaxoxo, her flags don't take up the full width of the column. I really appreciate that, so I swapped it out so there's more kind of a white space on either side of that, because it can make the column look more interesting. I like the white space and kind of less blocky, if you know what I mean. So this is the whole spread. I love how it turned out. It's so pretty and foiled and feminine. I really give most of the credit to the kit. It's such a pretty kit, and it's really hard, like easy to make look good, I think. So that's all. I hope you're all staying safe and well, and that's everything for me. Thanks. Bye.